Hi friends, I just wanted to share something with you. So I've been working on teak oiling my trailer, and we were doing it pretty close to dusk. Now I've done it every night close to dusk because it's a little cooler than during the day, but apparently last night was a big night for gnats or something, because everywhere that we teaked yesterday there are gnats stuck all over the sides of my trailer, on the fiberglass door where I teaked yesterday. Anywhere where we worked on yesterday is got. So I had already done the sides. There are a few where I guess I touched it up, but there's these dead flies stuck all over my trailer. Because we did the top yesterday. I had already done here the day before. But anyway, so some of them, let me find one that's my height. Okay, so some of them are coming off pretty easily, but they're still mushy, and so they're leaving marks. So, but at least with the teak oil, I can get it wet and get it off. But it's just a pain. They're everywhere. It's such a mess. So I just wanted to warn you, if it's a bad night for bugs, like don't do this at the campground near the lake, because apparently they like the smell of the teak oil. It draws them in and then they get stuck on it. So I thought I would share with you that little tidbit. See how they come off of the fiberglass. I haven't tried it yet. So I suggest if this happens to you, get a damp cloth. They're coming off pretty good if it's damp. Well, that's on the fiberglass. Let me try it on the side of the trailer. They're a little stickier on the metal than they are on the fiberglass. Just get it damp and hope you can get it off. Anyway, I'll blog about it. Check out my blog, thesecretisgratitude.com, and type in teak oil and bug, and up will come this post. Thanks for watching and have a blessed day.